Are you tired of guessing who your ideal customer is? Do you struggle to find and engage with them? Imagine having the power to precision target your dream clients and automate personalized outreach. Step 1. Define your ideal customer. Unlock AI-driven insights to pinpoint your perfect customer. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Step 2. Find your best matches. Utilize AI-powered lead generation tools to identify and connect with high-quality prospects. Step 3. Automate and personalize outreach. Deploy chatbots and AI-driven emails to deliver tailored messages and nurture leads around the clock. Step 4. Optimize ads with AI-powered targeting. Supercharge your ad campaigns with AI-driven targeting, ensuring your message resonates with your ideal audience. Step 5. Elevate social media marketing with AI-driven strategies. Unlock the full potential of social media with AI-informed content creation, engagement optimization, and influencer identification. Ready to transform your client acquisition strategy? MarketinGear's AI solutions empower small businesses like yours to thrive. Visit our website today and discover the future of marketing.